This morning we've done a rear view camera install into one of the high level roof transits for Desmond Motors in the area. We're just going to show you the new camera that's on these. There's a difference in the high level roof and the custom. Basically that's your camera up there, the high level roof one. This covers the whole back of the transit. Inside mirror monitor, we used ParkSafe 7-inch mirror monitor. And that's the view out the back. It's a pretty decent install. The surround, you can bring the stock through the surround there, and it leaves it neat and no wires showing. If that's something that you would like there, just give us a wee shout at Connect Mobile Solutions. Thanks for watching.